What the fuck is wrong with humans?
Disclaimer. This dance song is an artistic expression meant to virtually hug vegans who are suffering from dystopia and to help pre-vegans understand what dystopia is, the anguish of living vegan in a non-vegan world where witnessing the sheer magnitude of animal suffering is beyond any sane person's ability to bear. This song does not endorse self-harm or harm towards others. References to sensitive topics are metaphorical or contextual, including reflections on rage, deep sadness, and end-of-life compassion. If you don't understand the healing purpose of art, this song is not for you.
Stay alive. Just dance.
Woo! I can't wait to die.
Yeah, me too.
I can't wait to die. I can't wait to die. This planet that we're on, it just makes me cry. So much suffering, so much pain. I just can't wait to get that Swiss needle in my vein. Euthanasia is just such a beautiful thing. But before we set the date, let's dance and sing and stay vegan until then for the animals. Yeah, stay vegan until then. Don't abandon them. I can't wait to die. I can't wait to die. This planet that we're on just makes me cry. So much suffering, so much pain. I just can't wait to get that Swiss needle in my vein.
But when you think about it, why should we be the ones to die?
Good point.
We're the ones who are trying our best to protect the animals 3 times a day by not eating, rearing, or exploiting them.
Exactly.
We're not cruel.
Right.
We're kind.
That's true.
Why should we be the ones in so much pain? It should be the animal abusers. Yeah. Wait, do you mean the individual people or do you mean the corporations? Well, can't say the individuals or this song will be banned. So yeah, of course, the corporations. Right.
Let's make them die. Boycott them, don't buy. To the animal abusers, wave goodbye. Let's make them die. Boycott them, don't buy. To the animal abusers, wave goodbye.
We only have one life to do the right thing, one life to be proud of ourselves, one life to be brave. So don't just sit there, wait for everybody else to do all the work. Behave, you do it, so that on your grave it can say that you did the right thing. You tried your best to end so much misery. So when your time comes, at least you'll know you were on the right side of history. So yeah, euthanasia, it's a great idea. But until then, you know what you can do?
Be vegan? Yeah.
Save 100 animals per year.
Cool. Help prevent them from so much pain and so much fear. They don't wanna die. They don't wanna die. The animals want their freedom. They don't wanna die. Pigs don't wanna die. Cows don't wanna die. Open up the cages, let the chickens fly. Let them fly. They don't wanna die. They don't wanna die. The animals want their freedom. They don't wanna die. Pigs don't wanna die. Cows don't wanna die. Open up the cages, let the chickens fly. Let them fly. They don't wanna die. Shut the slaughterhouses down so no one has to die. They don't wanna die. They don't wanna die. Shut the slaughterhouses down 'cause no one wants to die.